In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy Zoom meeting invitation link. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click so you can share your meeting details with anyone in seconds. First, go to Zoom. You can open the Zoom desktop app or head to the Zoom website and sign into your account. The important thing is that you're using the account that's hosting the meeting you want to share. If you're on the desktop app, make sure it's updated so the buttons look like what you see here. Next, join or create a meeting. You can start a new meeting if you're the host or join one that's already running. The option we'll use to grab the invite is available inside the meeting window. If you don't immediately see the meeting controls, move your mouse or tap the screen to reveal the toolbar at the bottom. Also, keep in mind that some options are only available to the host or co-host, so make sure you have the right permissions. Once you're in the meeting, click on Participants. This opens a panel, usually on the right side of the screen, that lists everyone who's in the meeting. If your screen is small or the panel doesn't appear, it may be minimized. Look for a side drawer or an arrow to expand it. Opening this panel also reveals extra controls related to invites and participant management. Now, click on Invite. You'll find this near the bottom of the Participants panel. Clicking it brings up the invitation window. This is where Zoom collects all the important joining details in one place so you don't have to hunt for the link, passcode, or dial-in numbers separately. Finally, click on Copy Invitation. This button copies the entire meeting invitation to your clipboard. It typically includes the meeting topic, the clickable join link, the meeting ID, the passcode if one is enabled, and regional dial-in numbers. After you click it, you might see a brief confirmation that it's been copied. From here, you can paste it into an email, a calendar event, or a chat message so your participants can join with a single click. That's the whole process. Go to Zoom, join or start your meeting, open Participants, click Invite, then Copy Invitation. A quick tip. Because the copied text includes everything your participants need, it's great for sharing with both desktop and mobile users, and it ensures nobody misses the passcode. If you're sharing in a public space, be mindful that the details include join credentials. Thanks for watching. And now you're ready to share your Zoom meeting invitation link quickly and confidently.